Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to become a GoDaddy affiliates partner in 2023. GoDaddy is one of the leading domain registrations and web hosting companies, and their affiliates program offers a great opportunity to earn a passive income. And if you are interested in promoting their products and earning commissions, so let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you would like to do. And of course, the first step is to visit the GoDaddy website and navigate to their affiliates program. You can simply go, or you can simply don't need to go to GoDaddy websites and go to affiliates programs. You can simply choose Go or type here in the URL section GoDaddy affiliates and hit the enter button, and that will take you right away to this link. Make sure to click on the first link. As you can see, earn cash from sales when you promote GoDaddy on your site. So simply, you can even click on join now right away from here. Of course, if you're facing any issues with the language, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of this page and make sure to change the language from here and even currency if you want, because I faced that problem when I visit this site for the first time. So for you, click on simply join now. And of course, before even joining the affiliates program, make sure to familiarize with yourself with GoDaddy products offering. So while waiting for your application as an example, or before even submitting your application, make sure or take some time to familiarize yourself with GoDaddy products offering, and they provide a wide range of service, including a domain registration, web hosting, web builders, email marketing tools, and more. Of course, understanding their products will help you effectively promote them or to your audience. So as an example here, once you click on join, as you can see, to apply to the GoDaddy affiliates program, sign up below as a CG publisher. So simply work or how to work with CG, how to become successfully publisher or a publisher requirements. So you can learn more from here. If you want to, simply click on it and this will open a new tab. Make sure to sign up here for a CG publisher if you want to. And you can know more about if you scroll down here and read all of this. So as you can see, you can join out or join for free now. Let's start by confirming your main contact, main address. So here's an example. Let's just put the language English, the country as an example. Simply you'll have to put your country here. As an example, it's Morocco for me. My email is going to be this. Of course, for you, make sure to type your full email here. And the password, as an example, let's just put a password for you. And let's just put it here. And let's just confirm the password also. Let's just, and right there. And of course, make sure to check this option, I'm not a robot. As you can see, to keep the quality of our network high, we'll ask you to verify your email address, accept legal terms, and provide details such as your task and banking info before you can start making money and getting paid. So simply click on verify email. And as you can see, they will send an email for you. So simply just go and check your email address to check if they send anything. As you can see, create my CG affiliates account. As you can see, so I can get verified. And here I'll have to accept the terms below and get started a publisher today. As you can see, CG affiliates agreement in order to maintain a high quality network for both publisher and advertisers. CG affiliates reminder. So I'm not going to read all of this. Of course, for you, you'll have to go and read it by your own and simply just check everything and make sure you agree on everything by reading everything first of all. So make sure to read everything. And as an example, click on here and read everything. Once you read it, then accept it. Don't accept anything without reading it. So make sure that you read everything before accepting it so you don't have any future problems with them. Of course, you will not be able even to accept agreements if you didn't read. So make sure to read all of this. As you can see, it's a lot, but make sure to read it. Then click on accept. As you can see, you'll have to do the same here. Go and read everything, then click on accept, and make sure to do the same for privacy and policy. It's going to be quick for this, and simply click on accept, then click on continue to account. Here, as you can see, you'll have to simply connect to your account right away. So simply let me just do so and enter my Gmail or then the password and click on login into your account. So let's just wait a bit until they log me in and click on get started. Of course, if you want to, as you can see, welcome to the CG Affiliate Network. Click on get started. So now you will have to do or complete this 7 steps. Of course, we validate our email already. Now, what we will need to do is simply enter our user informations, what you will need to complete, setup, administrator name, email, and phone number. And you will have to complete your network profile. What you will need to complete the setup, it details the description of your affiliates promotion methods or your general business model in your own words. Then you'll have to simply add a promotional property. What you'll need to complete here is know where and how you will be promoting or advertisers products or services. And here you'll have to enter the company details and submit tax forms. You'll need or you will need your company is mailing address, and know which functional currency you want to be paid in, and know your tax info. Submit your W9 or W8 BEN, and of course you'll have to payment your or provide your payments information so they can get or you can get paid. As you can see, you can know or you'll have to know your payment details, check for deposits info, and then you'll have to answer some questions to help us set up the right path. Of course, make sure to complete all those steps. Then you'll have to click on activate account and you'll be right away applied for their affiliates program. Of course, some of you will ask me, okay, this is not GoDaddy, but don't worry, it's the same as GoDaddy. They actually take you here, so don't worry, it's the same as GoDaddy. It's actually the same. And of course, simply once you get approved, you will have to create a promotional content. So then promote GoDaddy through your channels. So make sure to utilize your marketing channels to promote GoDaddy, share your content and your website, social media platforms, email newsletters, or YouTube channel, and consider creating tutorials, reviews, or comparisons and showcase how GoDaddy products can benefit your audience. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship transparently. And of course, you can even monitor your affiliates performance and optimize it. So keep track of your affiliates performing using the reporting tool provided by GoDaddy Monitor. Monitor your click-through rates, conversations, commissions earned, analyze your results to identify which promotional strategies are most effective, and optimize your approach accordingly. And of course, once you're done with this, you can maximize your earning with advanced strategies. So once you gain experience, consider implement advanced strategies to maximize your earnings and leverage the search engines optimization, or which is the CEO, and paid advertisements or influencers collaborations to expand your reach and increase conversations. So if you reach this place, congratulations, you've learned how to become a GoDaddy affiliates partner and potential earn passive income by promoting their products. Remember to stay consistent and provide the value to your audience and continuously optimize your promotional efforts. Affiliate marketing takes time and dedication, but with the right strategies, you can achieve success. So leave a like down below if you'd like this video, and leave a comment if you have any issues down below. Subscribe to our channel also, and thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing, and I will see you in the next one.